have more surprises. This time, the Mickey Mouse blind bags. What did you do? Okay, pick the egg. Blue again? Okay. Ready? Crack it open. Step on it. Oh! Mickey Mouse blind bags. Not yet. Put it down. Wait, your turn. Wait. Mickey Mouse! Over here. Sit right here. And scissors. Let's snip it open. Snip. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. We got some ears. Pluto! We got Pluto! Ah! Oh, look at the little Pluto. Now. What are you doing today? Okay. Now we have the little cute adorable Pluto. It's my turn. Yeah. I will choose eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. My mom chooses the very last one, and you are it. Now it is my turn. So let's open it. Mickey Mouse blind bag. Mickey Mouse. Let's give it a little snip. Snip. And who do we have? Mickey Mouse! Goofy! He's holding like a telescope. This is Goofy, Colin, not Mickey Mouse. This way. There we go. Let me see him. So now we have Goofy and Pluto. They're both members of the dog family. Now, Colin, let's open up the green egg. Go, super strength. Whoa! Sit down, Mickey Mouse. How do you know it's Mickey Mouse? Sit down, please. How do you know it's Mickey Mouse, huh? Okay, you want to snip it open? 1, 2, snips. What'd you get? What'd you get? Mickey Mouse. Are you sure it's Mickey Mouse? Mm-hmm. Oh, it is Mickey Mouse. That's Mickey Mouse. It's Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Come on, Mickey. You don't want to come out? Are you too shy? Come on. Get out. Wait. Whoa. There we go. Whoa. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Oh, whoa. Let me see. Hey, what are shoes? Yeah, they have shoes. Can I see it? Can I see Mickey? Colin, can I see Mickey? No. No? Hey, with Donald. Oh, Donald? I don't know. We can't find him. Instead, we got Pluto, Goofy, and Mickey. It's Pilot Mickey. So now we have some 3 characters of Disney. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside. It's fun inside. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside. Ruff, ruff. Yeah. All right. Hello. Look. He's pointing to Colin. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. No, that's Mickey Mouse. Yes, that is Mickey Mouse. Colin, sit down. Sit down right here. Stop moving everywhere. And he's waving hi to Mickey. Hello, Mickey. Mickey, Mickey. Woof, woof, woof. Mickey Mouse. Yes, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Back to you, Goofy. Goofy. I can see you from at least a foot away, kids. Ha 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 ha. With my little red telescope. You're acting really funny today.